Hi, I'm Jason from Authorize.net, and today I'd like to talk to you about the API Login ID and Transaction Key. The API Login ID and Transaction Key are two pieces of information that are unique to your account. Both are complex values that identify your account to the payment gateway when submitting transaction requests. To obtain the API Login ID and Transaction Key, log into the merchant interface at https://account.authorize.net or via the Authorize.net website. Click Settings under Account in the main menu on the left. Click the link titled API Login ID and Transaction Key in the Security Settings section. If you do not see a link for the API Login ID and Transaction Key, you may not have adequate permissions, or your account may need to be migrated to the multiple user environment. For more information on creating users and managing user accounts, please view our video demo series on multiple users. Enter the secret answer to the secret question that you set up when you initially activated your account. The API Login ID and the transaction key will then be generated. As you will see, the API Login ID is at least 8 characters in length, includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and/or symbols. The transaction key is a 16-character alphanumeric value. It is very important to remember that the API Login ID and transaction key are sensitive account information and should only be shared on a need-to-know basis, for example, with your web developer for the purpose of integration with the payment gateway. The transaction key will not be visible at any other time in the merchant interface, so be sure to record it in a secure location. To create a new transaction key, simply repeat the previous steps. To reset the API Login ID, please call into Authorize.net customer support at 877-447-3938. We hope this information on the API Login ID and transaction key has been helpful to you, and thank you for being a valued Authorize.net merchant.